Hello. Did you know that if you use a hot high-pressure washer, like this MH series from Nilfisk, you can clean up to 40% faster than if you use cold water? Now that's pretty fast, but we wanted to test how fast.
But how are we going to test it?
Well, we'll need a few more of these, we'll need some dirt, and a very fast car.
Now that is a fast car. What's the plan?
Right, let me show you.
Now that's an impressive setup.
Yeah, so the idea is we take the car, make it nice and dirty, and then drive it at speed through this array of pressure washers and see if we can clean it as fast as it can drive. And these machines can pump out 180 bars of pressure at 90 degrees Celsius. But today we'll be using it in eco mode, which is 60 degrees Celsius, which means it uses a lot less energy.
Okay, so we've got the car, we've got the Nilfisk machines. Where's the dirt?
Well, as anyone working in the automotive industry knows, the most common form of dirt is road film.
Is this what you had in mind?
That's very impressive. And now the dirt is dry, it's time for you to hop in.
Yes!
How was that?
Oh man, that was intense.
And look, it's completely clean.
Let's check the slow motion film.
Let's do it. Okay, let's take a look.
I mean, it disappears just like magic.
Yeah, it's ridiculous. It's like now there's dirt, now there's not.
It's a true victory for hot water cleaning.
That's what I call built for speed.